Hey guys, do you have a morning routine? I don't think anyone's routine is necessarily better than anyone else's, but I think it's fun for everyone to share their morning routines. And people always ask me mine. And I think everyone can learn from everyone's morning routine. My son's routine is 100 push-ups, 50 sit-ups, 4 Bible stories, 15 Bible verses, and a sermon video and a worship song. So if you don't think of your routine as a ritual or a chore, you kind of look at it as like next day confidence. Like when you have the kind of confidence that you're playing offense rather than defense. So who wants to start their day like, this is my day, I've got this, I'm going to play offense, I'm not playing defense, right? So I came up with an acronym that's WELS, W-E-L-S. I actually set my phone to airplane mode an hour before bed. That way, if someone texts or calls, I don't get it. And I'm not getting all the Wi-Fi EMFs and all that. And I do go to bed very early, 8:30 p.m. every night. If I'm acting kind of crazy, maybe 9 p.m. And I wake up about 5 a.m. every single day. And as soon as I wake up, I work out 6 days a week. I go to the gym. And so the W stands for write. I don't love to write, but I think it's really, really important. I love to have a gratitude journal and write down a few things that in the moment I'm super grateful for. I also like to kind of put down 3 things that are my goals for the day. I do that every week of what I'm going to make sure I hold myself accountable for. And then E stands for exercise. And so even if I don't feel like it, I don't even have to think about it. Like, am I working out? Am I not working out? Like, whether you like it, whether you don't, it's just one of those things where you're like, I'm going to go out there and do it. And I'm putting it part of my daily routine. It makes me feel great and I don't want to stop. L stands for learn. So feeding your mind is a daily routine that I think is so, so important. And so you get to control what goes in and you get to control what kind of positivity you put in your brain. So I listen to 2 business podcasts and leadership podcasts per day. And then I also listen to 2 sermons per day. And I just try to fill my mind with such great positive ideas, and it will just elevate your life accordingly. And then the S is spiritual. So I have a Bible devotional app that I listen to. I will read a book. Me and my son will read a book. We listen to a podcast sermon while I'm getting ready in the morning. I listen to a podcast about leadership at the gym with headphones. I listen to another podcast on the way home from the gym. I'm like out of control with podcasts, but I love them. I also go on the vibration plate that burns calories. I do a jumping thing that is really good for your lymph nodes. I do red light therapy. And then I also like to throw in compression sleeves during the day. So I'd love to hear what some of yours are, and hopefully we can inspire each other to really amp up our morning routine.